watching another shooting video from the Bohemian Hunting Club. Alright, here we go. Got the Gamo rockets. Just doing a little grouping video of these out at about 25 yards. These are 22 caliber, 14.5 grain. And the rooster concurs. And now just like I said, the rifle isn't sighted in for these, so we're going to see, like I said, just how well they group. Might be making the switch to these. I've used these before and really like them a lot, so let's just see how they group and we'll go from there. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, here we go. I'm going to just do a quick grouping video of the Gamo rockets. These are 22 cal coming out of Benjamin, nitro piston, and these are weighing in at 14.5 grains. So we're just going to do a quick, this ain't good accuracy because this is sighted in for something different. So we're just going to try these out and see how they group. Go. Alright. Let's see how we did. I guess y'all already seen that. Alright, here we go. Gotta bring out our highly scientific measuring device that we got here for a group, just to see. That one was definitely, I'm not gonna count that one. I got these 5 right here that I moved on that one. Let's go. We got about 2, just at about 1 3/4 inches, and about 1.5 inches, roughly that way. But I mean, if you did want to throw that one in there, even though I know I moved because that rest moved. It's over 3 inches, but this is actually holding pretty good, fairly well, especially for the crosswind as you see the grass blowing and stuff. I'm liking these. I might switch over these. These are those Gamo rockets. So there you go. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Ta-da! The highly scientific measuring device.